crabs. I have crabs. These little guys came to us earlier today, fresh from the market. They've been swimming around in the sink pretty much most of the afternoon. Don't you guys go anywhere. We have plans for you later. Okay, we are ready to cook the crabs. So what do we got going on here?
I'm frying the garlic with the butter.
Frying garlic and butter. Exciting stuff.
Yep. Then next, the ginger.
Next, the ginger. More exciting stuff.
More exciting. I'm so excited for the
cannot-
garlic and ginger.
I don't think I can control my enthusiasm here. All inside an American-made, made in USA cast iron frying pan.
You don't need to shout out.
I'm so proud of these cast iron pans. I think I mention it every time we make one of these videos. I always emphasize the cast iron. Good old Lodge. Made in Tennessee, I believe. Something like that. Anyway, there you have it, folks. Frying garlic and ginger. So this is the first phase. We'll get back to you when we start the second. Once the garlic and ginger is golden brown,
With the chili sauce. With the chili paste.
what is that?
Chili paste.
Oh, that's the chili paste, okay. Smells good.
Then the crabs.
Here come the crabs. Those little guys that were swimming in the sink earlier today. That chili, oh man, it's getting into my nostril, in my throat. That chili paste. Okay, so to recap, we put in the garlic, the ginger, the butter. Well, the butter went first, right?
Yes.
And then we threw in the fresh garlic, fresh ginger, a little bit of chili paste. How much chili paste? About a tablespoon?
1.5 tablespoons.
About 1.5 tablespoon. And then the crabs go in there and you just kind of mix them around like you're doing. Okay.
And cover for a while.
Cover for a while. What you got there?
Put some black pepper. First
Black pepper. Very well. And
Kikkoman soy sauce.
Kikkoman soy sauce, okay. Just do that to taste. Wow, look at that. What do we got here?
And cooking wine.
Cooking wine.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, it's kind of hard to move that pan around. It's so heavy.
This is my barbell, you know.
Yep, your barbell.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then just cover it. Put a little bit water. Hold on.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, I'm a lucky dude. To have someone around, beautiful woman who can cook like this. Excellent. Okay, so we're gonna let her simmer and let her go for a while. All right.
We don't
Hold
have
on. Okay, what you got?
lemon zest. Just a little bit because we don't have. I can't find lemongrass at the market today.
Okay, cannot find any lemongrass, so
It's just the substitute for the lemongrass.
okay.
Let's see. And then
That is the onions.
yeah. So this is it.
It looks delicious. It smells really, really good.
And smell also the lemon.
Yep, I can smell that for sure.
Okay. Now it's cooked. It's okay already. Already cooked.
So, at what stage in the process are we here? Just towards the end here? Or? Oh, yeah, I guess so. I guess we are.
This is small one.
Okay, well, I'm going to give her a hand and then we'll get back at it here in a minute. Okay, here we are with the finished product, and boy, I tell you what, it really smells good and it looks amazing. Now we're getting a little bit of shadow here, but let me see if I can get this in. Some vegetables that she cooked up real fast after she was done making the crabs. And there's the crabs. They look great. I can't wait to dig into those. Anyways, Chef Eden once again has made it happen. This is great. So, hey guys, thanks a lot for joining us. Please be safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And we will talk to you soon. Until next time, peace out. Bye.